Yeah, my beautiful people, I'm back. I'm back to take my profit with you guys. I'm back. We need to take our profit for today. I did the first video showing you how I enter some of my trades, doing my trade analysis. And you see, the trading is trading. The trade is trading. I think I want to take some of the trade I already taken profit. So on this one now, see my pounds GPY will soon take profit. To soon take profit, I'm sure. You see, it has taken from 200 now. It has done. Yeah, this one, everything has taken profit. This one, this straight. I've got everything. Let's see, card GPY. Let's go and see card GPY. Almost 1,300 has taken profit. So let me look for card JPY and see what is happening there. Yeah, we have a long way to go. Card JPY, we have a long way. Card JPY, I know. So my first TP is about to hit. I know we're here. You can see when I log in, when I start this video, most of the trades have taken profit. So card JPY too will soon take profit. And let me check. Euro JPY is the next trade. We have two trades here, two currency, plenty trade in two currencies. So let me check for Euro JPY. The trading is trading. It's all looking. Oh, this one will soon take profit too. Trading is trading. It's looking all beautiful. Okay, this one has a little bit long way to go. Yeah. That's a little bit long way. You can see this is beautiful. Like we made almost 3,000 for today. The trade is trading. Is all looking beautiful. If this take profit did not hit, I'm going to hold this trade. I'm gonna hold it till you see already. Pounds are hit. Pounds are fall, and see the trade is still going up like crazy. See, this thing will still go up. This thing, but I'm okay. I've taken my signal for card GPY is enough, so it's enough for today. This other one, card GPY, I'm waiting for the signal to hit. You need to learn how to trade, know how to enter your trading, know when to enter, know when to stop, know where to place your take profits. I think in my next video I'm going to show you people how I place my trade, using Fibonacci. I'm going to show you. I think in one of the trades I did today, because of my on Euro JPY, I had some losses. I think let me see it. Euro JPY, where is it? Yeah, see some here. See some here. And the reason why I had this loss is because of my stop loss is not well tight. Because after it has hit my take profit, my stop loss, the trade went back. It went back. So it to say I give the trade more room to breathe. I don't think it would have hit my take profit. But what I did immediately, I used my Fibonacci and went back to the market again strongly. You understand? I went to the market, with full energy, fully knowing that that was for a buy. See now, see Euro JPY. This one is just for a buy. See, the trading is trading. I knew it was for a buy, but here, let's look at my history. So when I entered the Euro JPY, initially, you see, it was for a buy for today. And it kissed my stop loss. I had a stop loss kiss. It hit it. After hitting that one stop loss, I knew that this is for a buy. I have to now say, okay, maybe, if to say my stop loss was a little bit down, it could have reversed. But still, I knew that I'm going to recover those losses. And you can see, I've recovered all the losses. See, I've recovered it. I'm sitting at 1,300 for someone to see that 1,300 and something. I've recovered those. Those are three trades, and the three are all losses with almost 200 and see 73 273. You can see, and I recover everything because I knew that this trade, this signal is for a buy. I have to now enter with full force. I entered, say I will recover, and I've recovered it by now. You can see. So, and the trade is still trading. It's looking all beautiful. You can see. So let's see what is happening in Euro JPY. So that is that you need to know, check your chart. When you see your chart, you have full confidence that, oh, this chart, oh yeah, this is how it's gonna look good. So you enter with your full chest, with your full force, with your own confidence that, oh, this trade is gonna go my way, that I'm sure. So when you do that, I think I'm feeling I should just cut my trade with you guys, but I said initially that if it didn't hit, I'm gonna hold this trade, even if it's for me tomorrow. I'm gonna hold. I know that this market will still go up till tomorrow. Till tomorrow. It's gonna until it hit my take profit, until it hit my TP take profit. Yeah. So I wanted to leave it. I want to leave it. Let him take my profit because I'm sure of this stop loss. I'm sure of it. I'm sure of this my signal. So you can all see it, but I'm feeling tempted. That kind of a thing. Feeling tempted to close my trade with you guys. Yeah, I think we just have to close this trade together. Tomorrow is yet another day. Tomorrow we go in, with full force because I knew that by tomorrow when I wake up, I know this trade is gonna enter like $3, $3,000, $4,000. So I'm sure of it. It's gonna go strong. We're hitting it strong. So I'm feeling tempted to leave it, because these are all for buy. Buy, buy, buy. We're speaking, the trade is speaking buy, 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 buy. Okay, thank you for now. Bye for now. I'm going to hold this trade to when it reach till it hits my take profit. If it's tomorrow, I'm coming your way again. So I don't know. You people should tell me. Do you want me to close my trade? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you want me to still hold it tomorrow so that I will show you what it's saying tomorrow? Fine. So thank you for your time and bye for now.